Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to delete photos from your Google Drive. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Google Drive website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your Google account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you'll be able to see all of the files that you have in your Google Drive. So as you can see right here, here are all of my files that have opened recently. Here I can see my folders where I group my files into them, and if I scroll down even a bit more, I can see all of my files that aren't grouped into any folder. But yeah guys, let's go back to the top of the page and now look at the left side of the screen. Here you will be able to see multiple options that you can use for viewing and managing your files and folders. Here you can see your drive, here you can see your shared files, your recent files, here you can see your trash and so on. So guys, now using these options, we want to go ahead and find the photos that we want to delete. So I'm going to be using the photos in this folder right here for today's video. I'm going to go ahead and open up the folder, and as you can see here I have multiple photos that I want to delete. So guys, deleting just one photo is very easy and all you need is 2 clicks. The first thing you have to do is go ahead and find the photo that you want to delete, and then you want to go ahead and right click the photo. After right clicking, this will now open up this new drop down menu with multiple options. You want to go ahead and click the remove option right here. After clicking remove guys, you can see that now we have successfully deleted the picture from our folder. But guys, if you want to delete multiple photos all at once, all you have to do is go ahead and click with your mouse anywhere and drag all over the photos that you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete all of these photos all at once. I'm going to go ahead and right click on any of the selected photos and click on remove. And now guys, you can see we have successfully removed the photos. But guys, they aren't deleted permanently. They're now in your left side of the screen. As we said, here is a trash option and here are all of our deleted files. So here now you can either delete them all permanently or you can restore them if you decide that you wanted to keep the file. I'm going to go ahead and restore them. You can delete them if you do not want to use them anymore. But basically, that's how you do it. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.